I started working on this car back in the springtime. I bought this car after my other one got totaled. I got T-boned on the passenger side of my other one, so I bought this one. And it was blue originally. It's blue now, I know, but I wrapped it. Looks pretty good. I just washed it up here. So I've done a lot of changes to this car. I replaced the headlights. They're now LED, and I blackened them out. The fog lights actually are factory. I did redo the wheels, so the wheels are now in a gunmetal gray. Put new center caps on. The blue is Oracal Azure Blue. And again, it is a wrap. Roof is done. Car looks pretty amazing. I'm going to be driving this to Pittsburgh this week. So I've had the wrap on since springtime. It's holding up really well. As you can see, there's no flaws to it. Sticking down really well. Show you what the inside looks like. I did a lot of changes on the inside from the red leather. So I did that myself. I might redo those. They're a little bit bright for me. And then on the inside, I did put some red accents in there, put a new stereo system in. I've been really happy with the dual stereo system. It was a brand I wasn't really excited about, but I've been really happy with it. I've had no issues with it. The panoramic roof on a smart car is known to craze, kind of like your headlights where they get yellow and they get all that little micro scratching in them. So when I wrapped my roof, I just kind of got a nice gloss black there, so it isn't see-through anymore, but I think it looks pretty cool. My former smart car, I wrapped in Avery Diamond Gloss White, and it looked pretty good, but I really like the blue on here. I did not wrap the tritium safety cell, the silver part. I think I might do that in maybe a dark metallic gray next year. So just an update of this little car. I'm going to be driving it to Pittsburgh next week. So I'm going to get some good miles on it. I have a work convention I have to do. Maybe I will vlog that. I don't know. I want to get some good pictures of the Pittsburgh skyline. And if you're wondering what camera I'm using for this video, this is the new Osmo Pocket 3. It's an amazing camera, and I do have a link in the description of this video if you want to pick one up for yourself. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah!